Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 0. I'm joined by some fans. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
Thank you for having us. My name is Loiso Vakele. I'm from Rodeport. I'm here to watch South African football. I'm a Kosi fan, by the way. But first and foremost, I'm a football lover before I'm a Kosi fan. So today we're here just to watch South African football. Truly a scintillating encounter, end-to-end stuff. I think the best summation of the game is to say the game was a game of two halves. Sundowns had a better start. Pirates was very sloppy, bit nervous, no combinational playing. But I think towards the end of the first half, we saw a lot of Pirates that we know, the one that tiki-taka type of a football. And we were so happy to watch that. And I think the scoreboard is just unfortunate that it ended that way. But I think it was a beautiful game to watch at the end of the day.
Okay, so who was the man of the match?
So yeah, it's a difficult one, but I think Zwane was very consistent. He controlled the game. He was both in the midfield. He was one who was dishing out those beautiful passes. I think for me, his experience showed up a lot today. So I think he's my man of the match today.
So I heard you say you are a Kosi supporter. Anything you'd like to tell Amakosi?
Yeah, Amakosi Jabulile. Tomorrow we're playing. I'd like to urge our supporters to be a bit patient with our own coach, Arthur Zwane. It's not a beautiful season, to be honest. But I think let's soldier on and try and chase that number 2 spot, because we need to go and play in Africa and reclaim our position in the African continent. We have a beautiful squad. We have a good team, but not that much in terms of depth. But we are in a building phase at the end of the day. But I think let's be very patient with our own coach and support the team as always.
Thank you very much, brother.
Thank you so much.